2147 Boyer Avenue East, dates September 9th, 2022. Making this recording from an open access of the concrete pipe here near the property line. I'm going to pull back. We're looking at the Seattle City main right there. Pulling back out of that clay stub into a section of 6-inch diameter clay. Back into a section of 6-inch diameter PVC. So a section of this pipe's been replaced at some point. Back into 6-inch diameter clay there. Go around a turn. And then back into what looks like 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. So we've changed materials there at that turn. Turn there. A little dirt and rock in the pipe. And I believe we're transitioning from 4-inch to 6-inch right there. See the seam. Let's see here. Yeah. That was our 4x6 transition. So there's where we're making this recording from. See it very well, but end the video there.